how to use a light microscope, or steps in operating the light microscope. First, we need to prepare the microscope. Place it in a flat, stable surface so it won't be pushed down, and angle the mirror. Position the mirror to a light source. Clean the lens if with lens paper if needed. Number 2 would be adjust the light. Turn on the illuminator or angle the mirror to a light source. Open the diaphragm partway to start. Step 3 would be set the lowest powered objective. Rotate the nose piece so that the shortest objective lens click into place above the stage. Place the slide. Number 4 is place the slide. Prepare the microscope. Prepare the microscope. Prepare the microscope. Adjust the light. Prepare the microscope. Adjust the light. Set the lowest powered objective. Set the lowest powered objective. Place your slide. Place your slide. Place the slide. Place the slide. Place the slide. Number 1. Step 1. Prepare the microscope. Place it in a flat, stable surface to avoid it. Step 1. Prepare the microscope. Place it in a flat, stable surface. Position the mirror or turn on the illuminator to a light source. Turn on the illuminator or position the mirror to a light source. Clean the lens with lens paper if needed. Step 2 is to adjust the light. Turn on the illuminator or angle the mirror to a light source. Open the diaphragm if needed. Partway to start. Step 3 is to set the lowest powered objective. Turn the nose piece so that the shortest objective lens click into place above the stage. 4 is to place your slide. Place the slide. Place the slide. Position your specimen slide on the stage, centering it over the hole and secure it to the stage. Position your specimen on the stage. Center it on the hole. Center it on the hole and secure it with the stage clip. Place the slide. Place your specimen slide to the stage. Center it over the hole and secure it with the stage clips. So 4 steps. 4 steps. Prepare the microscope. Adjust the light. Set the lowest powered objective. Place your slide. Place it. Focus with the course adjustment. Looking from the side, not through the back. Slowly raise the stage or lower the objective lens and objective until it's close to the slide but not touching it. Focus with the course adjustment. Looking from the side, not through the eyepiece. Slowly raise the stage or lower the objective until it's close to the slide, but not touching it. Focus with course adjustment. Prepare the microscope. Adjust the light. Set the lowest powered objective. Place the slide. Focus with course adjustment. Prepare the microscope. How to use it. light microscope. How to operate a light microscope. First step would be to prepare the microscope. Place it in a flat and stable surface. 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 Ano ito like? Flat and stable surface. Position the mirror to a light source and clean the lens with lens paper if needed. Step 2 would be to adjust the light. Turn on the illuminator or angle the mirror to a light source. Open the diaphragm partway to start. Step 3 would be set the lowest powered objective. Set the lowest powered objective. Rotate the nose piece so that the shortest objective lens click into place above the stage. Step 4 will be place the slide. Place your specimen slide on the stage. Center it above the hole and secure it with the stage clips. Stage clips. Baliktad, no? Anatong pagbutang hit ko ang stage clip. Yung bubutang ani naton tas awan pagsan. Muna ito kamo nakasarat dito. Ano to? Focus with course adjustment.
Mama, naman pagkuhan niya niya, mama, naman pag-reset niya, may kami slide niya ni kakaptan. Good eh.
Steps man mo kita rin.
Diba, before and after steps, yapi.
Pupunta niya. Sila yakan yung art mo. 5 steps pala ako. Kalimag palay. How to use a light microscope. How to operate a light microscope. First, we need to prepare the microscope. Place it in a flat and stable surface and position the mirror to a light source. Then, clean the lenses with lens paper if needed. Step 2 would be to adjust the light. Turn on the illuminator or angle the mirror to a light source and open the diaphragm partway to start. Step 3 would be to set the lowest powered objective. Turn the nose piece rotate the nose piece so that the lowest powered objective or the shortest objective clicks into place above the stage. Step 5 would be to focus with the course adjustment. Looking at the side, not through the eyepiece. Move the stage up or lower the body. Not through the eyepiece. Slowly raise the stage or lower the objective until it reaches. It is close to the slide but not touching it. Okay? Not touching it.
Carry the properly use it.
Yung function na niya. Ayan, kung nakman.
Ano last one?
Balik, tanya ka ba? Above, against the light ka kasi. Wow. Continuous blade. Prepare the microscope.
This is the, Anay, nire-review pa ako. This is the eyepiece. Eyepiece in the house. This is the eyepiece shoes. Eyepiece shoes, this helps to, this helps an eyepiece shoe, this helps to support the eyepiece. Then, ang hinihinga ang body tube. Body tube, this helps to connect the eyepiece and the objective lenses. Then, this is the nose piece. Nose piece is the rotational part of the microscope. Then, this is the objective lenses. Objective lenses magnify the specimen for different powers. Then, this is the arm. Arm, it is a core part of the microscope. Then, this is the force focus knob. This is the force focus knob.
Prepare the
Move
microscope.
the stage up and down for a focus. And this is the fine adjustment knob. Fine adjustment knob. Small adjustment to sharpen the image. Then this is the stage. This is the stage lip. This is the stage lip. It helps to hold the specimen in place. Then this is a specimen stage. The specimen stage is helps to hold. The specimen stage is helps to. It is a flat platform that holds the specimen in place. Then this is a light source. This is a light source. Light sources provides the light to the specimen. Then this is a condenser lens. Then this is a condenser lens. Condenser lens provides a light
Look
onto
through
the
the
specimen.
eyepiece
This is
and
a
use the
diaphragm.
force focus
This is the
now.
diaphragm. Diaphragm is control the
Okay, tanan mo ba?
specimen. Better contrast. Then this is a base.
Kaya mo kasi ginhalaba.
This helps to hold all the parts of the microscope. Then this is a inclination joint. Inclination joint, this helps the microscope to comfortable viewing of the specimen. This is the step-by-step process of using the microscope. Kanay.
Sana all.
Then, when we're going to use this microscope is a light microscope. Then, the first step is prepare the microscope. Then the second is rotate the objective lenses in low power. Then place the slide and
The eyepiece and focus.
move.
Use the force
Ano ba?
adjustment.
Place the slide in. Place the slide, adjust the line, tapos ano ba? Ano na?
Then use
Place the slide, adjust the line, tapos focus using when you're going to focus the specimen, use this. Focus the specimen.
Adjust light and contrast. Use the diaphragm or
Focus the
condenser.
specimen, sharpen the image.
Diaphragm and condenser to
Increase
control the
magnification.
amount of light.
Increase magnification, observe and
To
record.
control how much light
Or through.
passes through, improving
Place the
improving
microscope.
contrast.
Then,
Adjust
place the
light and
microscope
contrast.
and
Use the diaphragm and condenser to
rotate
control
the
how much
objective
light
lenses
passes
in the low
through,
power. Then place
improving
the slide,
contrast.
adjust the light, and sharpen the image and
Increase
sharpen the image.
magnification
Increase the
gradually.
magnification. Increase the magnification using this. Then
What's that?
this is the first focus knob. It is increase the magnification. It helps to increase the magnification using this and this. Okay, this is the objective lenses. Then we are going to observe and record. Okay. Then before using the microscope, we must wash our hands and carry the microscope with 2 hands. This one is for the arm and this one for the face. Amo na ba?
Oo,
Ito, amo na.
Sabi ko lang na gusto.
Then this is then please place it on a table. Then check the lenses if it's clean. If it's not clean, you need to clean it using a lens paper only. When we're going to use cotton paper, cotton clothes, gonna ruin the potential of this signal. Tapos,
Course
ano na?
adjustment risks
Tapos,
crashing it into the
tapos
sky.
observe the rotational part. We are going to put this
How to use
on the place.
how to
Put
operate
this
a
on
light
the place.
microscope.
Tapos,
First step,
provide
prepare the
an
price
exact
microscope.
output.
Place it in a
like
flat,
this.
stable surface and position the mirror or turn on the light. Turn on the light, the illuminator, or position the mirror. How did you plug in na yun? Plug in the illuminator or
Remove
position the
the-
mirror to a light source. And
Remove the specific.
clean the lenses with lens paper if
Then,
needed.
we're going to remove the
Adjust
we're
the
going to
light.
remove the slide then we're going to rotate back
Turn on the
the
illuminator or position
lowest
or
part of
angle
the
the mirror to
obstructed
the light
lenses.
source. Open the diode.
Then we're going to lower. Then we're going to lower
Step 2 would be to
this
set the lowest
completely.
check the lowest power
Tapos turn
check
off.
field.
Turn off the illuminator
Lowest
and
power
clean
check
the
field.
eyepiece using the
Using the nose piece, so
lens
remove
paper.
the
Tapos,
nose piece so
cover
that
the
the
microphone.
shortest objective lens
This is the next
fixing
step.
the rays above the stage. Step 4 would be to
After cleaning, the microscope must be
Adjust.
covered. That's
place
proper.
the stage.
Then we're going to return to its proper storage
on
area.
the stage.
Carrying it properly.
Place the specimen
This
on
one.
the stage. Center it above. Center it on the pole and secure it with
That's all.